Have you ever felt like you're playing a constant game of catch-up with your investments? The market goes up, the market goes down, and suddenly your perfectly planned portfolio looks nothing like it's supposed to. One asset is soaring, and you've got way too much of it, while another is lagging behind. You know you should rebalance, but who has the time to constantly monitor their holdings, run the numbers, and place all those trades? This is where the magic of automatic rebalancing with Wealthsimple Invest comes in. It's the simple, hands-off solution that works for you in the background, so you can focus on the big picture. So, what is automatic rebalancing? Think of it like a personal co-pilot for your portfolio. When you first set up your Wealthsimple Invest account, you choose a portfolio that matches your risk tolerance and goals. Maybe it's a mix of stocks and bonds, or a socially responsible portfolio. That mix is your target allocation. As the market shifts, the value of your investments changes, and your portfolio's allocation can drift. For example, if your stocks have a great run, they might start making up a larger percentage of your total portfolio than you originally intended. This can actually increase your risk. That's where the automatic part kicks in. Wealthsimple's technology is constantly monitoring your portfolio. When an asset's weight gets too far out of line with your target, it automatically sells a small amount of the assets that have done well and buys more of the assets that have underperformed. This has three huge benefits. First, it helps you stay disciplined. Instead of making emotional decisions, like holding on to a hot stock for too long, automatic rebalancing forces you to buy low and sell high in a systematic, unemotional way. Second, it keeps your risk in check. By regularly resetting your portfolio to your original allocation, you ensure you're not taking on more risk than you're comfortable with. And finally, it's a massive time saver. You don't have to worry about tracking the market every day or calculating what to buy or sell. Wealthsimple does all the heavy lifting for you, making investing simple and stress-free. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.